Hello, this video is the first in a series to teach you how to generate the Galaxy production paperwork. So the first thing I'm going to do today is I'm going to give you a tour of the Galaxy document worksheet. So when you first enter the Galaxy document worksheet, you'll start off on this board entry sheet. Up here, you will see that we have the entry board for all of the paperwork. So this is where you are going to enter all the numbers that you're going to pull out of Caterees. Down below is an audit table. And what this is doing is just making sure that all of the numbers entered up here are being accurately represented throughout this document builder. We are also going to eventually enter raw numbers out of Caterees for the entire week that we are pulling for. And these different colors here show us where there are discrepancies in what's entered into the main board versus Caterees and where the sheets are diverging. I have entered some erroneous numbers up on the top here to show you how this changes and how we get the correct numbers. Now, after you've finished entering everything, the next sheet that you'll take a look at are the cover sheets. So these are the sheets that we use to put covers on each of the packets that we generate out of Caterees for the Galaxy pack. These are all automatically filled in from these top board numbers here, and their numbers, all of these are compared to what we have entered in here, and any discrepancies are shown right here. Now, not every one of these is the same. You'll see that some of these have many more items than other ones, and that's because we have tried to eliminate and simplify these pack lists as much as possible. For on days where there are no frozen items, we don't call out any frozen numbers. This is really just about saving space and trying to make things simple and easy to read. I will create a video at the end to show you how to modify these safely and accurately. It is a little bit tricky, so try to only do it when you absolutely have to. Next, you'll see that we have the set to pack date area as well as a set to delivery date area. These are used to generate the projected Galaxy production boards and also to give us the numbers for the boards which we post. So I will give you a tour of the posted Galaxy production board in another video. But for now, all of these numbers are fed into from this initial board entry worksheet here, and it filters in to represent in this board what day all these items are being packed and takes into account the fact that we do not pack on Saturday and shows our double pack on Friday. This is opposed to the set to delivery date, which is simply just what our numbers out of Caterees are for each delivery day. Now, in these top areas, you'll see production, portioning, packing, delivery. These are merely estimates and don't necessarily accurately show what the equivalent is for packing, hence why we have the two different boards. But it does give us a way to mentally visualize the flow of this food and make it a little bit easier to read. I've highlighted in red which days are the anchor days, the days that these are actually going to be delivered versus these are the days that they're going to be packed. And the other feature that you'll see over here on the delivery date board is that we do have PARs included over here, which simply goes through these numbers and divides them by 7 in order to give the kitchen idea of their daily production, as well as a sides breakout. These numbers are also fed into from this original board entry sheet and gives the kitchen an idea of how many snacks they need to produce if they are making homemade snacks for the day. The next couple of videos will show us how to use this board and how to generate this paperwork. So I will see you there.